Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're here in Pelham, Alabama. As you can see, we're in Chandeleur. You know, this is one of the infamous areas of Pelham that floods a lot. What you don't see is a creek, river right over here that causes a lot of this flooding. See, a lot of these properties have become severe repetitive loss properties. So today we're talking particularly about how to get insurance on Pelham properties that might fall on the severe repetitive loss or repetitive loss list. That's important to understand that when you're talking about flood insurance options, you could be talking about write your own carriers. These are companies that go through the National Flood Insurance Program. Then there's private flood insurance. Now, the majority of the time, if you're on that severe repetitive loss list or repetitive, this generally means, 3 claims or more, or 3 payouts or more within a rolling 10-year period. So what are your flood insurance options on these properties? That's what we're going to walk you through today. So we're talking about what are the flood insurance options on these, like right here behind me in Pelham, Alabama. Well, generally it's going through the National Flood Insurance Program, but we talked about write your own carriers before. These generally have to go through what's called NFIP Direct. These are written directly through the National Flood Insurance Program and not a write your own carrier. The reason is on these particular types of properties, FEMA usually has a certain application process that has to be followed. It's also important to understand that on these type of properties, if you're an agent, the commission is actually different than going through write your own because of how these properties are qualified. So it's important to understand that generally, when we're talking about severe repetitive loss properties and repetitive here in Pelham, we're talking about generally going through NFIP Direct, which is directly through FEMA. Now, there could possibly be some private options available if this property hasn't flooded within the last 5 years. But we know that a lot of these properties in 2021 had major flood issues. So that's what your option is on these type of properties in Pelham, Alabama. So if you've got questions about these type of properties, how do you stop your property from flooding before? Because you can see right here behind me, where cleanup is still going on after the October flooding event here in Pelham. Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigate your property long term. Thank you.